Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Skilla. You see, a female vendor that is said to be over the age of 60 has been murdered in execution style in Maypen, Clarendon. Her name is Patricia Harriet. You see me? Goes by the name Miss Pat. The incident took place around Monday at 5:20 p.m. at Main Street and Brook Avenue. You see? Now, this incident really and truly now have people on social media connecting it to the whole incident that took place at the Chinese place. You see me? The fact that this murder happen now, people start speculate a whole heap of things again. You see me? And people start to say, right? This lady appear on TV, right? And say that she says she see the criminal. Really and truly. Now, to be honest, me not gonna say I lie them a tell, but me not see no confirmation of that. In my view. You see me? Really and truly. And that is the thing with social media. Them really love to connect certain things. You see? If them say that them see her on TV, I say that she see who do the robbery. Knowing social media, them would have take that video long time, right? And put it to the incident that happened to her right now. This incident now really and truly take place very close to the police station in Maypen, really and truly. And this lady was killed in execution style. You understand me? And that really and truly raise a whole heap of question right about now. You see? Now the Maypen police, you know, the question the people might ask now, what are the police officers them really doing? What's really going on? How come this happened and nothing come out of it? So it has been reported that police officers are now on a manhunt for the man that commit this crime. You see me I say? Yeah. So you don't know. Me just keeping up to date and posting. You see me I say people are connecting this crime, saying that it is connected to the whole Maypen thing. Some people say that because you're informer. There is no confirmation of that to my knowledge. I mean I just tell no what I go on. You see me I say? Alright. Well, you don't know the thing already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click subscribe button. Leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. I want to big up on yourself, my people. You see it?